Income method. Today we are going to discuss first what is income method. Income method measures the national income in terms of factor payments. Now we have to understand what is this meaning of this word factor payments. Now here factor payments includes a compensation for employees, rent, interest and profit, and it is made to the owners. Here owners means the households of the factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship during the accounting year, and this is also known as factor payment method. Now let us understand what is the meaning of this word factor incomes. A factor income refers to the income earned by a person as a reward for rendering his factor services. Now this may include the form of wages or salaries for the labor, rent for the land, interest for the capital and also the profit for his entrepreneurship. It also must be noted that the factor incomes are only earned incomes and it does not include any income which is not earned. For example, we can take old age pension received by the senior citizen. It is not an earned income. It is just a help for the government without anything in return. Such receipts or payments are called transfer receipt, or we can tell transfer payments, and these are not included in the estimation of the national income. That means factor payments is not included in the estimation of the national income. Now there are classification or types of factor incomes. Let us see. The first is the compensation of the employees. Now here compensation of the employees means this is a sum total of the benefits which can be in cash or which can be in kind, and this is received by the employees as a reward for their labor services rendered to their employers. Now there are different components of this compensation of employees. Let us discuss one by one. First is wages and salaries in cash. It refers to the cash payment or transfer to the salary account of the employees by the employers. It includes all the monetary benefits like basic pay, concession, bonus given as a reward for the work done during the period of the accounting year. Payment in kind means all the non-monetary benefits like rent-free accommodation given to the employees by their employers. Next is employers' contribution to Social Security. It refers to just a payment as Provident Fund contribution by the employers on behalf of their employees. Next is pension on retirement. To be very specific, it does not refer to the old age pension. It's refer only to the pension payment as a part of service contract between the employer and the employees. Next is the operating surplus. It refers to the income from property and entrepreneurship. It includes the following components. First is rent. It is a factor income earned by leasing land, building. It includes both actual rent and imputed rent. Next is loyalty. It refers to the income earned by lending the rights of using intellectual property. Next is interest. It refers to the price for fund borrowed. In other words, it refers to the payment which the borrowers make to lender for using their capital for productive purposes. Next is profit. Profit is what? It is a factor income generated through entrepreneurial services rendered in the process of production. Profit earned by a production unit is divided into three categories. First is dividend. Now this is a part of profit which is distributed among the shareholder. It is also called the distributed profit. Corporate, or we can tell corporation profit tax. This is a part of the profit which is paid to the government by way of profit tax. And undistributed profit means that is a part of the profit which is written by the firms for the future use, particularly to meet some contingent expenses. Undistributed profit is also called corporate savings, net retained earnings, accumulated profits and undividend profits. So this much for the today's class. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe to the channel for the more videos.